Have you been looking for a performance sedan with styling that won't break the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Alfa Romeo Giulia TI in Trofeo White. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, gloss red brake calipers, lane departure warning, dual chrome exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 18,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch infotainment display, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5665.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.